Step by step.
Crayon steps. Little Y. 1, 2, Y. 1, 2, Y.
yuh-yuh-yuh, 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 yuh-yuh-yuh.
Try it. Y, Y, Y. Y, Y, Y. Big Y, little Y, yuh, yuh, yuh. Yuh, yuh, yuh. Big Y, little Y, yuh, yuh, yuh. Yuh, yuh, yuh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yaw, yaw. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yam, yam. Yen, yen. Yes, yes. Experience Crayon Steps, the most innovative English textbook for kids.
Step by step.